Members of the Pastor community gathered at Sankopis to commemorate the 111th anniversary of the Sankopis battle, which took place on 8 May 1915 against German colonial forces. A place of remembrance, resilience, unity, and cultural pride, Sankopis remains deeply rooted in the history of the Pastor people's resistance and heritage. The Vice President, Her Excellency Lucia Witbooi, was the guest of honor at this year's commemoration, which took place at Sankopis Monument on Friday. She was accompanied by the Minister of Urban and Rural Development, James Sankwasa, the Hardap Governor, Rian McNabb, Pastor Captain Jackie Brits, and Rehoboth Mayor, His Worship Jackie Karisep. The two-day event, hosted under the theme, A New Tomorrow on the Horizon, is commemorated as a way to remember the battle in which the Pastors survived, a desperate stand attributed to divine intervention, making it an event of faith and identity. Generations continue to gather there to honor the past, strengthen community bonds, and share what Sankopis means to them.
As a pastor, it's an honor and a privilege to celebrate Sankopis, and I want to plead with my fellow Namibian pastors to come and celebrate Sankopis with us, because year by year it's getting stronger and it's getting better. Now that we are recognized, let's stand together and make it a best.
The Sankopis means a lot to me, and I will keep the heritage going onwards to my generation as well, and my kids will also come to this. Sankopis is where my roots are. This is what is in my nature. This is built up on my roots, and not just on my roots, but this is part of my character.
Almal is meer gekend as Sankopis. Wat ek kan sê is dat dit baie mens leer oor die tradisie van die Pastors. Ek sou graag weer terugkom in die jare 90. Ek sien uit dat dit by die mense hier dien.
Die fees beteken vir my baie. Al die gelofte wat ons gehad het, jare moet hernie. Dit is 'n gelofte wat ons groot ouers te maak.
Sankopis is 'n gelofte wat ons elke jaar aflê as pastors, maar ek wil ook dan die jonger geslag, my geslag van die 80s, 90s en die millennium kinders bemoedig. Kom ons dra hierdie volk op en kom ons hardloop met die fakkel.
Dit is vir my 'n celebration van die lewens wat hier was vir ons om in Rehoboth te leef. Wat ons staan op die plek wat hulle se skuilplek was, die rotse het hulle beskerm voor.
As jy Sankopis gepraat het, jy praat van het geskiedenis, history, maar as jy oors met wat ook gewend met dat gewend gelofte. Dis waar op mekaar kom, dis die gelofte. Dis nie vir die vleesbraai en roofbak, die gelofte dat ons op mekaar kom. En die gelofte is die president wat ons gemaak het.